Hello everyone. Up till now we have discussed hemoglobin disorders, thalassemia and sickle cell anemia. Our next topic of discussion is metabolic disorder, phenylketonuria. It is also called as PKU. This PKU or phenylketonuria is a autosomal recessive genetic disorder. What does it mean? Autosomal recessive genetic disorder. It means there is a need of two recessive alleles for the expression of this disease or phenotypic expression of this disorder. It is a metabolic disorder, as written here, metabolic disorder, and this is responsible for severe brain disorder. And it is due to the accumulation of amino acid phenylalanine in blood and brain. Do you know phenylalanine is a essential amino acid, and this amino acid body cannot produce or body cannot make it. We get this amino acid from food sources, particularly the animal origin food sources, meat, egg, milk products, etc. This phenylalanine amino acid is converted into tyrosine by the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase, and this gene, the gene which is responsible for this production of this enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase, this gene is located on chromosome number 12. But due to some mutation, this gene is non-functional. That means it cannot produce the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. Here what is written in this next paragraph, the genes produces enzymes which in turn catalyzes metabolic reactions. The mutant form of gene do not produce viable enzyme needed for metabolic reactions, and this results in the development of physiological abnormalities. What does it mean? जैसे वन जीन वन एंजाइम हाइपोथेसिस है. वन जीन वन एंजाइम हाइपोथेसिस मीन्स फॉर एवरी एंजाइम देयर इज ए जीन. तो इसके लिए भी ये जो एंजाइम है फिनिलएलेनिन हाइड्रोक्सिलेज, इसके लिए भी एक जीन है, दैट इज ऑन क्रोमोसोम नंबर 12. सो जीन प्रोड्यूसेस एंजाइम, दैट इज प्रोटीन. और ये एंजाइम क्या करता है? एंजाइम कैटालाइजेस द मेटाबॉलिक रिएक्शंस. और अगर जीन अगर नॉर्मल है तो प्रोटीन, दैट मीन्स दैट एंजाइम विल बी नॉर्मल. अगर जीन म्यूटेट हो चुका है, उसमें प्रॉब्लम है, तो इट विल प्रोड्यूसेस रॉन्ग एमआरएनए, और रॉन्ग एमआरएनए भी रॉन्ग प्रोटीन प्रोड्यूस होगा, मतलब रॉन्ग एंजाइम प्रोड्यूस होगा, और जो मेटाबॉलिक रिएक्शन कैटालाइज नहीं कर सकेगा. दैट इज रिटन हियर, द जीन प्रोड्यूसेस एंजाइम्स which in turn catalyzes metabolic reactions. The mutant form of gene do not produce viable enzyme needed for metabolic reactions, and this results into development of physiological abnormalities. In this case, this disease is associated with a metabolic breakdown of phenylalanine amino acid phenylalanine called phenylketonuria. So in the next slide, the persons here, what is written, the person having autosomal homozygous recessive allele. So this disorder is a autosomal recessive disorder. When both the alleles are in homozygous conditions are present, they fail to produce enzyme known as phenylalanine hydroxylase. This phenylalanine hydroxylase is responsible for conversion of phenylalanine into tyrosine. This enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase is responsible for conversion of phenylalanine amino acid into tyrosine. This tyrosine is a very important thing. It is for the development of brain, synthesis of neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin. So tyrosine is very important, that we will discuss in the next slides. तो ये एंजाइम नहीं है, मतलब if there is no production of phenylalanine hydroxylase, तो ये एंजाइम absent है, मतलब there will be no conversion of phenylalanine into tyrosine. So इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि phenylalanine blood में accumulate होगा, phenylalanine accumulate होगा. If this enzyme is not produced or it is absent, the concentration of phenylalanine increases in blood and subsequently this amino acid, मतलब ये phenylalanine, is converted into alternative catabolites such as phenyl pyruvate, that means phenyl pyruvic acid, phenyl acetate, phenyl acetic acid, and phenyl lactate, phenyl lactic acid. These are the chemicals, byproducts of this phenylalanine, and this is excreted through urine. In this diagram we can see that the phenylalanine, this amino acid, we received from dietary protein. Dietary protein means various sources of diet. Phenylalanine normally converted into tyrosine with the help of this enzyme, phenylalanine hydroxylase. If this enzyme is absent, means this gene, particular gene is mutated, so there is no production of phenylalanine hydroxylase. So phenylalanine will not be converted into tyrosine. See, tyrosine is a very important thing. Tyrosine is needed for synthesis of neurotransmitters. Just now I told you neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, and these neurotransmitters, they are very important for nerve impulse transmission. Then this tyrosine is very much needed for the normal development of the brain of the child. But when there is a accumulation of this phenylalanine, the development of that child is not possible, means there is a problem in the intellectual level and it develops severe intellectual disability, IQ level falls. Then this tyrosine is not present, means there is a no melanin pigment production. Melanocyte melanin, this is for skin color, and that results into albinism. Albinism means no production of melanin pigment, no synthesis of melanin, so color of the skin becomes white. Then tyrosine is very much required for the thyroid gland hormone, thyroxine. Thyroxine is a hormone which is produced by thyroid gland, and tyrosine is required for that. If tyrosine is not there, that means there will be no thyroxine hormone or less production of thyroxine hormone, which results into development of cretinism. Cretinism, that is a hypothyroidism. Hypo means less secretion of thyroxine hormone, hypothyroidism. And the next is this catecholamine. Catecholamine means there is no production of adrenal medulla hormone. Adrenal medulla hormones are two, adrenaline and noradrenaline. These are adrenal medulla hormones. They are not produced in sufficient quantity because of absence of tyrosine. So these much disorders develops because of the absence of tyrosine, or this metabolism if stops. Symptoms. What are the symptoms are there in children or infants because of this disorder, phenylketonuria, PKU? The first one is mental retardedness develops in infant and children due to lack of myelination in central nervous system. Patient of phenylketonuria have deficiency of serotonin. Central nervous system, brain, spinal cord, all this is central nervous system. And myelination means there is a formation of myelin sheet. Myelin sheet बनती है around the nerve fibers or spinal cord. This sheet allows impulses to transmit quickly and effectively. If this myelin sheet is not properly synthesized or not formed, the conduction of nerve impulse not properly takes place. That results into mental retardedness or low IQ level. There is a lowering of IQ in this patient because of accumulation of phenylpyruvic acid in cerebrospinal fluid. ये cerebrospinal fluid होता है नर्वस सिस्टम में, उसमें ये phenylpyruvic acid accumulate होता है. इसकी वजह से ब्रेन impulse transmission के problems होते हैं and that results into lowering of IQ level. Accumulation of phenylalanine also impairs melanin synthesis and children with this defect develops albinism. This we have already discussed. Absence of tyrosine results into cretinism. This is also we have discussed. Excess of phenylalanine in blood leads to excretion of phenylalanine, phenylpyruvic acid, phenylactic acid, and when this urine is oxidized, oxidation of urine develops black color. Urine of this patient develops black color or deep blue color upon oxidation. So these are the symptoms which are present in the patient of this PKU, phenylketonuria. So this is all about metabolic disorder as per your syllabus. Thank you.